Welcome to Product Critique, your destination for honest insights and the best product breakdowns. In today's video, we're featuring what we believe is the best glow-in-the-dark fishing lures currently available. The Glow Fishing Lures Bait Kit by JSHANMEI. If you're a night angler or someone who thrives in early morning waters, this might just become your go-to lure kit. Let's dive in. So what makes this lure set special? First up, this isn't just one type of lure. You're getting a 5-piece combo pack that includes a VIB, popper, crank, minnow, and pencil lure. Each is designed with a specific swimming action and attraction technique, giving you a well-rounded arsenal for various fishing conditions. Whether you're casting from a boat in the ocean or fishing by the stream in the early dawn, these lures have you covered. But here's where they really shine, literally. Every lure in this kit is luminous. They glow in the dark. That means they're ideal for low-light conditions, especially at night when visibility is poor. And the glow isn't a gimmick, it's backed by thoughtful design. The streamlined fish body and lifelike detailing, especially the 3D eyes, make them highly attractive to predatory fish. This visual stimulation plays a huge role in triggering strikes from bass, trout, or even saltwater predators. Inside each lure, there's a built-in gravity ball. That adds two key advantages. 1. It helps stabilize the lure's balance, so you can cast further and with more accuracy. 2. It creates sound. That slight rattle underwater mimics struggling prey and pulls curious fish in for the kill. Combined with ultra-sharp treble hooks, the result is a setup that increases your hookup ratio significantly. The materials used are built to withstand both freshwater and saltwater conditions. And they're versatile, suited for all kinds of fishing: ocean boat fishing, rock fishing, beach fishing, or freshwater lakes and rivers. This adaptability makes them especially valuable if you fish in different environments. And let's talk packaging. The kit comes in a compact tackle box, making it easy to store and transport without any mess or mix-ups. Each lure has its slot, and the clear cover means you can quickly grab what you need without rummaging around. Now if you're thinking about gifting this, it's a solid option. Whether for Father's Day, a birthday, Christmas, or just a treat for someone who loves angling, this kit fits the bill perfectly. It caters to both beginners who are just starting to build their tackle collection, and seasoned pros looking for reliable glow lures. To sum it up, the JSHANMEI Glow Fishing Lures Bait Kit delivers on multiple fronts: variety, durability, glow performance, and intelligent design. It's not a flashy gimmick set, it's a practical, well-rounded tool set that elevates your night fishing game. If you want a deeper look or plan to purchase, you can check the link in the description. And if you've used this kit or have a favorite fishing story to share, drop it in the comments. We love hearing from you. That wraps up this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on products that actually matter. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.